Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to combine text and images in Stitch Prompt. Okay, so as you can see here, I have this mobile onboarding app, okay, which is Lingolift. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and change this one with the channel's logo, okay, and the channel's color palette. And then in the process, I'm going to change the text as well. Okay, so let's just go ahead and add a prompt, or click on the attachment button, upload image. Then I'm going to go ahead and select the channel's logo right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and type in, use this logo as the app's logo on the, what's this, welcome page. Okay, use the color palette as well for the whole page. Besides the logo, I would like you to change it to answer ASAP, okay, and change all the pages font to Choco Cookie from Samsung. Okay, now let's hit on generate, and then let's just wait for it to load. All right, as you can see here, it's done. It says we've made the requested updates now. If you want to say the updated screens, okay, you can just go and scroll down right here. Scroll down. There you go. Here we now have the new design with Answer ASAP and the channel's logo, as well as the color palette has been used as well, and the font that we asked, okay? Now, if you want to specifically combine an image with the text, you can just ask Stitch right here, okay? You can maybe ask, can you use the photo and the Answer ASAP text? Like maybe combine it? Just ask Stitch right here. All right? Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.